Today I'm going to make fried chicken a la KFC style. So these are all the ingredients. I have this kind of piece of chicken, 10 pieces. So I slice like this, and mince of garlics, onions, ginger, chili powder, and salt, 2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I will put also 1 tablespoon of powder milk. If you have fresh milk or evaporated milk, then you can add also. So I will use powder milk, then I will add also water, and then ketchup I will put also, and soya sauce, and 1 whole egg. So now we have to put all these ingredients here. And then this salt, baking powder, black pepper, and then this powder milk, and then this whole egg, and then this soy sauce. I don't have soy sauce now, so I put little, and ketchup. If you have tomato paste, then you can put also tomato paste. Now we have to mix all this one using your hand, or if you can use gloves, then you can use gloves, but no problem, I wash well my hand. So I already mix well. Now we have to leave this one for 10 minutes. I did not put already water here because there is already some gravy, so no need to put water. And in another container, I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. If you have corn flour or cornstarch, you can add also 4 tablespoons, but I don't have, only cornstarch I use. And so I will add also chili powder, black pepper powder, and salt. And if you have paprika powder, then you can use also. Now we have to mix this one for breeding. In Philippines, there is already available yung yung pang breeding ba powder. So this is my substitute. So after 10 minutes, now we have to coat now this one in flour, all-purpose flour, like that. Then we have to put here. Then my today is 6 days of Ramadan fasting. So I make this one. Today is February 24 and today is Tuesday. Now time is already 1 p.m. So after 2 hours, I have to fry this one. Just I prepare. So this is ready to fry now. But I will fry after 30 minutes. So we have to cover it. Frying now fried chicken. 5 pieces and 5 pieces more. My fried chicken like KFC.